What up, guys? Today we're gonna do an oil change on Tita's Nissan Altima 2011. Tita's currently jacking up the car right now.
Hard labor.
So we have it's me, Tita, and then Oscar's behind the camera.
I'm right here. What's up, guys?
And yeah, what we're gonna use today is STP, the oil filter, and the GTX Castrol 5W30.
$26.99 at your local AutoZone, guys. Make sure you guys go to AutoZone.
And then you're gonna need that, and then you're
Put
gonna
the-
need a oil can and fucking what is this called? The thing to put right there so you won't spill it. And yeah, that's it. So what you're gonna want to do is get under the car, jack it up, and then Tita's gonna show you what bolt you gotta take off.
Where's the camera? Oh. Guys, you see how I have it right here? In case it spills, and right here's the... Oh, this one's weird. I'm an iPhone, guys. Alright, right here's the oil pan. Right here is the bolt. Fuck, fool, she's not even recording. Oh, it is. Alright, that's the bolt. It's a 14 millimeter. And so you know how it's going to spill out a little bit. So that's why you put the oil pan right there. And there we go, guys. Oh, shit. Motherfucker. Ah, fuck, it's just fucking hard.
You just gotta take out that one bolt
Which way is it going, fool?
to the left.
Ow, ow, ow. Yeah, I got it. Ah, fucking shit. She fucking hurt. Ow, my finger.
I think it should be hot.
It's just purple.
Oh yeah, you gotta make sure the car's not hot, cause then the oil's gonna burn.
My finger's purple. Oh,
Hurry up
shit.
and take it off.
Oh, it's just fucking hard, fool. I mean,
You
yes,
gotta take it off?
No, I got it. Oh, yeah.
There you go.
Huh?
And then you just gotta let it drain all out.
Right here, fool. What the fuck?
Alright, and then the oil filter is over here by the wheel.
Let's see. Let me show you guys. So you got you got this cross member right here, and then the oil filter's over right here, next to the passenger wheel, front passenger right there. And then we'll take it off right now. This should be easy. Yeah, this should be tight. See that passenger? Here, buddy. Where's the drain plug?
Oh, drain plug? Where your hat is?
So now I'm gonna put the drain plug back on. All the oil came off. And then you just tie it back on. Get a good. Make sure it's nice and tight. And then look at the, what do you call this? Move this over here. This is my, when I'm taking off the oil filter and my leak. Yep, it's leaking. It was easy, it wasn't that tight.
Take it out?
Yep.
Oh, there's a towel.
And then you're also, before you put on the new one, you're gonna wanna dip your finger in there and then lube it up.
Both fingers
all around.
Both fingers, guys. We know what I mean.
You're a two-finger kind of guy.
Extra wet. Highly recommended.
And then yeah, you just put it back on. So after you hand tighten the filter, you want to take the gas cap off right there.
The gas cap?
I mean, the oil cap.
Just trying to put gas on that.
And then put the funnel. That's what it's called, a funnel. My bad, I messed up in the beginning. I know.
I didn't graduate high school, you know what I'm saying?
And you just have to fill it up.
That says it takes 5 quarts.
5 quarts.
There's 5 quarts.
Approximately.
Approximately 5 quarts, but just to make sure, after you put it in, check your dipstick and see if it's full.
Don't put all of it in. Take it easy.
And then he's also gonna do the spark plugs. So to get those, you need an Allen key. Well, he has this. Take these 2 off, and then there was one over here, but I don't know. I guess he's missing that one. They should come off, and they should be under here. Alright, we took those off. They should just come off. Put it on the floor right there. And these are your spark plugs. You got the auto light ones. I'm pretty sure you gotta like set them yourself. Yeah. Take the cap off. You need a 10mm.
The sensor. And then the spark plug.
Spark plug right there. Yeah. To take the spark plug itself out, you're gonna need a 14mm, the extended ones,
Long socket.
with the long socket and the extension.
Put it in there. Give it a little crank.
And you're gonna do that same step to all the 4. So after you unloosen it all, you're gonna need a magnet to take it out. And that's the difference between
The new one. I mean the new one, the old one.
Yeah, and Altima doesn't explain how to adjust them or.
Alright, guys.
Since he was cheap,
They-
I didn't buy the good one.
They didn't have the preset ones, so they told me the cheap ones, and I have to gap it myself. So I'm trying to figure out what's the gap size because it's kind of hard to look it up online. But you see right here, you start with the end. This is the skinniest piece of metal, and then you go to like thicker and thicker, and then wherever it lands is the gap size that you do on the new spark plug. So we start right here, and we just keep going until it gets kind of stuck. And right here, I can't pull it out no more. So it's stuck at the point 040 around there. So point 040 is what I'm going to use for the other spark plugs, the new ones, to gap it. That's a gap size.
Yeah, it's ridiculous.
Alright, so we put everything back now. You want to check your dipstick, see if the oil's good. It was. And that's it. That's the oil change and spark plugs for 2011 Altima. So just keep watching, like, and subscribe. Peace.